How to change your email address on Skrill. Looking for a quick and easy way to change your primary email address on Skrill? In this video, I'll show you the exact steps without any confusion, so let's get started. This change must be completed in a web browser, not in the mobile app. Sign in to Skrill, open Settings, select Personal Details, and choose Email Address. First, add the new address and open the verification message Skrill sends to it. Click the link within 30 minutes. Return to the email address page and click Make Primary beside the newly verified email. Skrill will ask where you want to receive a 6-digit security code. Depending on your active authentication methods, choose your current primary email or registered phone number. Enter this first code within 15 minutes. Skrill will then send a second 6-digit code to the new phone number. Enter that code within 15 minutes as well to verify and save the change. If you no longer have the old number, choose Email Verification. If that option is missing, go to Settings, Security, Authentication Methods, and enable Email and PIN first. Contact support if you cannot access either method. And that's it. If this helped, leave a like and subscribe for more simple how-to guides.